Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Shutterstock. Shutterstock is a widely recognized and popular online marketplace for stock images, videos, music, and other creative assets. It has been a go-to platform for individuals, businesses, and media professionals seeking high-quality visual content of their projects. And one of the notable strengths of Shutterstock is its vast and diverse library of assets, with millions of images and videos covering a wide range of categories and themes. It offers a comprehensive selection and caters to various creative needs. Whether you are looking for nature shots, lifestyle images, or professional illustration, you are likely to find something suitable on Shutterstock. So let's create our account, free trial. So you can try it by using your email and creating a password, or you can join using your Google account. So the platform search functionality is another aspect that user appreciates. It allows for advanced filtering options, for advanced filtering, making it easy to narrow down search results and find specific content. Moreover, the ability to search using keywords, colors, orientation, and other parameters enhance the overall user experience, saving time and effort. So to get the free trial, you will need to pay. And if you don't have a coupon, using Microsoft Edge will offer you some coupons that are already used on this website. So you can click on apply coupon. It will try 16 coupons that are available, and they will tell you if they work or not, and they will tell you how much you will gain. So Shutterstock also provides user with convenient license options. It offers both subscription plans and on-demand purchasing, giving customers flexibility based on their usage requirements. The pricing structure is generally fair and competitive, with different tiers available and to accommodate different budgets. So yeah, I will cut the video till this end. Okay, you have the best price available. Coupon don't apply on your card. So yeah, do you have any coupon code? If you use the coupon code, you are skipping the free trial. Add in a coupon. You have 10% off. Okay, by applying this coupon, you will get free trial, but you entered a valid coupon code. So this is the free trial, but you will need to fill up the payment process. So let's go back. So from a contributor perspective, Shutterstock offers an opportunity to monetize their workflow, their creative work. Many photographers, videographers, and artists find the platform attractive due to its large customer base and potential for earning royalties. However, it's worth noting that the competition among contributors can be high, and it may require significant effort and quantity content with quality to stand out. So yeah, they have everything. Here we have the pricing. Let's check it. We have the pack download with 1 year. 2, 3, 4, 25 watch mount or year. So we have credits per mount, 10 mounts, 10 years I think. Yes, It's annual. Yes, within 1 year, within 25 years, you will be paying this for the enhanced. I don't know if it's per year or not. This is the multiple user, and this is the flex. So be it monthly with no contract. Okay. So it's Shutterstock is whilst Shutterstock is widely regarded as a reliable platform, there have been occasionally complaints about issues like image similarity and quality control. Some users have encountered a situation where multiple images with similar composition or subjects are available, which can make the selection process slightly overwhelming. Additionally, there have been instances where the quality of certain assets didn't meet the expected standard, but they are trying to fix this. So overall, Shutterstock remains a reputable and valuable resource for sourcing stocks content. Its extensive collection, user-friendly interface, and flexible license option makes it a convenient choice for both individuals and businesses in need of high-quality visual assets. So here we have search for image. Let's just try sunset and see the example of the images that are on this website. Premium ones and the free to download with free trial. Okay, add to cart. So how to see the price? So the license for this picture is $249 to buy this picture. You can take a screenshot. Oh, wow. Yeah, are good. What if I did this? Okay, I can't. Okay, they tried. But I think there are some websites where you can copy the link of the picture and paste it and they get you the picture. We have good images that actually may deserve to be bought at this price. So thanks for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.